What's up, everybody? John with Adventures in the South, and on a gloomy Wednesday morning, July 2nd, still hot as heck. Just getting back from our Lake Hartwell State Park camping trip, and we're about to do some saltwater fishing. We're going to head up to the inlet, Sunset Beach, try to do some very early summer fishing. Got the boat loaded up, ready to go. It's been a while since we've done this, but we're ready to get back into it. And we're going to head over to the inlet, get unloaded, and see what we can do today. I'm going to take you along with us. Here's our spot. Water's very far out. Extremely low. 20 foot here. Huh? Yeah, once we get over, we need to go over here in the shallower water. Super windy today. Hopefully my remote mic with the windshield on it is doing its job. We'll find out. This is going to be the ultimate test. Well, very overcast day today for us and very gloomy. There's a threat of rain. Not supposed to rain till this afternoon. We've been in the water with our baits for about 5 minutes. So far, no bites. But we haven't experienced the bottom of the tide yet, so the tide's not yet coming in. It's pretty far out, actually. You can see how far out it is. It's way out. It's definitely on the bottom. So, you know, it's early. We just wanted to get out of the house. We just got back from our camping trip at Lake Hartwell. Didn't catch a lot of fish. Figured we'd test the waters for our saltwater of the season. It could be a worse day. At least it's not raining yet. But we have the top ready to go. If it does start raining, we can put it up. It looks like there's a little bit of a break in the clouds, so maybe we'll get lucky and not deal with the rain. That would be nice if it's possible. I got a feeling this is going to be a very slow day fishing, but not surprised. We just want to get out on the water. We may not even catch anything today. We'll see. Once the tide starts coming in, that's the best time to catch them. So if we can catch 5 or 6, we'll be happy with that. A lot of beach traffic behind me on the causeway. Pleasant day. It's not hot at all today. Feels good out here with the breeze. It's kind of windy.
I feel like so much cooler.
So today we're going to be using squid and shrimp. We have both. Squid's a little frozen.
Do you still need it?
Yeah. Probably should cut these smaller, but I don't want to deal with it while it's frozen. I'm gonna cast into this big 20-foot hole over here. See if I can catch something big. Yeah. Where we're sitting right now is 15 foot. Tony's got his line, and then I got mine off the back of the boat. So we sit and wait, and hopefully we catch something. Andrew with the first fish of the day, a decent sized croaker. Let me get it off for you. Got one, Tony? No? Oh, he's hooked good. There we go. Oh, open the cooler for me, Andrew. No, there's one down at about 100 to go.
I thought I wouldn't catch fish.
You're the first one. All right. Well, Andrew caught our first fish, and it wasn't a bad sized croaker. Hopefully we can catch a dozen or more of that size, and it'll be worth the trip. It's still very windy here, though. We're going to fish till about 10, 11 the very latest, and that is if the bites are good, but right now it's very slow. Andrew's already caught a croaker and now a stingray. Tony's gonna unhook him and throw him back. He's a little guy. We don't keep him anyways. I think you can eat him, but it's not something I want to eat. Okay. Oh, you can't get it?
I can.
Wow. Very windy. Super windy. All right, I'm gonna check my bait. It's been sitting out here for a while. No bites. Of course, I ain't been paying attention to it much. But I bet you I still got my bait on here. Oh, wait. One of them's gone. I got some here. Ah. Tony, can you remove that? Yeah.
Oh, it's fish. What kind of fish is that?
I'm not even sure. They're ugly as hell, though.
Looks like a frog. A fish.
I was right. I did have something.
Yeah.
Well, at least you're not the only one catching something. Put the top up.
Got my bait.
Trying to stay out of the sun. It's already getting hot out here. Hot and only one fish. Tony finally has a fish. Finally. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
That ugly.
oh my god. That sucks. Same fish again. Yeah, I got big bite. Finally.
Nice fish up there.
Oh wow, two good-sized croaker.
Nice.
Finally, I just big
Wow, shrimp.
shrimp, yeah.
One plus to this is I still have a lot of bait left. Didn't use much bait, so I guess that's the one plus. Andrew's getting some bites over here.
Yeah, I mean, bites. Full bite.
I haven't really been getting much of anything. I've kind of given up on it, and
Alright. Bites.
I just set mine in the rod holder. Tony's got one. Oh yeah, decent size. Wow, that's a big croaker. Wow, nice. The snake of the seas. Oh my gosh, we've caught about everything. Stingray, eel, the ugly toad-looking fish.
The what? What fish?
Toad. The toad-looking fish. I don't know what they're called, but it might be a toadfish as far as I know. Looks like a freaking toad. Well, we are done for the day. We spent about almost a little over 3 hours here. We caught 5 fish, so not the end of the world, but it is hot and the tide's already come in about halfway and the bite is very slow, so we'll try it again maybe in about another month. In the meantime, we'll do some freshwater fishing. And Andrew ended up catching most of the fish, right? Out of the ones we kept, he had what, 4? 3? Okay, so Andrew had 3 keepers. I had no keepers, and Tony had 2 keepers. So we ended up with 5 croakers that weren't really that bad. I'll show you what we have. So there's our 5 croakers, decent size, big enough to clean up and fry, to make a good meal. That's about all we're gonna get out of it, but that's okay. We had fun. We caught 5 decent fish. And I would say that's a good day. Did you have a good time, Andrew? Well, that's all that matters. All right, so we're gonna call it a day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button, liking it, share our channel with others so we continue to grow, and also check out our website, adventuresinthesouth.com. We appreciate y'all. Have a great day and have more fun fishing.
Brighter days are on their way. Forever's how long they'll stay. Brighter days are on their way. Chasing sunsets in the sky. Won't let these moments pass us by. Take my hand, don't be afraid.